Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your party in Expedition 33. Now I would like to say this in advance, that the expedition will introduce more characters to work with as you progress through the game. So if you're not caught up to the second act of Expedition 33, then I advise you to get there first before you continue. Alright, now that we're here, let's go into the specifics. You can change your party by opening up the party menu via tab on keyboard. But if you're on the Xbox controller, then it's the right button right next to the Xbox button. This menu allows you to assign which characters are currently active in your lineup. You can only have a maximum of 3 characters in your team, so choose wisely. Each character offers different abilities, strengths, and synergies, so adjusting your party can significantly affect combat strategy. After selecting your preferred lineup, the changes will be done immediately. Keep in mind that some story segments or combat scenarios may temporarily restrict party changes until they are completed. And this is how to change your party in Expedition 33.